is maryw.jones, Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I really do appreciate it. To all of my returning viewers, my subscribers, my friends, my family, thank you so much. And if this is your first time, welcome. All right, guys, you can become a part of the Precious family. That's all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and leave me comments, give me a thumbs up, and you too can become a part of the Precious family. Okay, guys, I have an open collaboration invite for you guys. So we have Penny at Penny's Place. She is the host. Yes. Okay, and she does have co-hosts, and she have 5 co-hosts. And we have Melissa at Buckeye Girls, Wreaths, and Things. Yes. And we have Grace at the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Yes. And we have Clearissa at A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa Coward. Yes. And we have Marlene at Marlene's How To. Yeah. And we have myself, Precious, at maryw.jones, Huntsville. Yes. So guys, I just gave you the host and all of the co-hosts, okay? So this is a Porch Refresh open collaboration. And this would be on May 25th at 7 p.m. Eastern time, okay? That's May 25th at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Now, all Penny is asking for, of course, you're going to use your YouTube etiquette. You're going to make sure that you mention the host and all of the co-hosts in your video, okay? And then you're going to link all of the co-hosts, the host channel in your description box, okay? Now, what she wants us to do is you can use your porch, you can use your patio, or you can use your deck. And she just wants you to decorate. Just decorate, just have fun decorating. That's all she's asking for you to do. And you ought to use the hashtag Refreshing Porch 22. That's Refreshing Porch 22. So guys, we just asking you all to just come on and join us as Penny being our host. And you know, I'm all about having fun, guys. I always say that. I'm all about having fun. So if you got a porch, you got a patio, you have a deck, you can just go ahead on and just decorate that. Just decorate that however you want to. There's no rules, there's no restriction on how you can decorate your porch, your patio, or your deck, okay? All right, guys, so we are hoping to see you. That's May 25th at 7 p.m. Eastern time, okay? Eastern time, 7 p.m. And just remember to use that hashtag, Refreshing Porch 22, okay? And guys, it is simple. It is so simple. You probably already have a video ready to go out on your porch refresh or your patio refresh or your deck refresh. Hold that until the 27th, okay? And just come on and join in with us. And we're just gonna have a big ball of happy fun. All right, guys, so I just love you guys so much, and we are expecting to see you there, okay? So save the date, Save that video. Do not release that video. Do not release that porch video, that deck video, or that patio video that you got up and getting ready to release it. Hold on to it, okay, until May 25th. All right, guys. So, guys, I will see you in the next video, and I will see you in the open collaboration porch refresh on May 25th. 2022. All right, see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you, baby. Bye-bye.